When it comes to automation testing, choosing between Selenium plus Python and Selenium plus Java can be a tough call. Here are 5 factors to consider before making your decision. Python is the fastest-growing programming language, with a 27% YoY growth rate. It's known for its simplicity and readability, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. Java is the second most popular programming language in the world, after JavaScript. Many testers and developers are already proficient in it, making it a streamlined choice for automation testing. Python is generally slower than Java in terms of raw performance. However, for most test automation scenarios, the performance difference is negligible and not a significant concern. Python's ease of integration makes it suitable for various CI tools and test management systems. If your organization is already using Python in other parts of the development process, Selenium plus Python may be a seamless fit. Python's clean and concise syntax often results in shorter and more readable test scripts. This can enhance maintainability and reduce the effort required for code reviews and updates. Ultimately, the choice between Selenium plus Python and Selenium plus Java depends on your team's expertise, project requirements, and existing technology stack. Consider your specific needs and align them with the strengths of each language to make the right choice for automation testing success.